Channel. So this is Daman here from daman-parhat.com. So welcome to Profit Cyclone review. Profit Cyclone going to be launched tomorrow in November 19 at 9 a.m. EST by John Newman, Cynthia and William. Okay, so basically what is this Profit Cyclone? So Profit Cyclone will show your audience, okay, how to create the high conversion using 100% free traffic. Okay, so for whatever like offer they choose to promote. Okay, so exactly what they are just sharing with you, all the training here, the step by step with the over the shoulder video trainings. Okay, so with this all this training, so you can just get the more traffic, more conversion. Okay, so as you can see here right now, I'm inside the members area of the Profit Cyclone. Okay, so with this training I will be going to be show you the give you the demo about the Profit Cyclone, and show you the sales page and plus my custom made bonuses which are specially created for you. Okay, so now let's start. So as you can see here right now, I'm inside the members area. So here on the one side there is a training. So in the first there is a John Ewan is giving you the welcome here, and here is the will whether this YouTube channel to subscribe, and Cynthia vanities. Okay, and in the next video, and there is the William is giving you the overview about the Profit Cyclone, and in the next video the William is just sharing with you the recent case studies. Okay, he's showing you his case studies, how much traffic he got, how much sales he has just did it by using. There is a case study of SEO, high ranking blog, and case study of the YouTube product review. Okay, and the case study of the leveraging social media on the traffic using Quora. So and plus he just showing you, and so now exactly what he just used have to get these results, the same training he just showing sharing with you inside here the members area of the Profit Cyclone. And again here then the next they are just showing with you how to create the bonuses. Okay, and then Cyclone Powerhouse, YouTube and blog, and how to like how to properly write the blog review structure, what is the like the good structure for the review video, YouTube and blog combo, how to do both things together, and how to make your videos without not showing your face on camera. And again in the next video they are talking about you how to get list buildings. Okay, different strategies, how to get the more traffic from social media, hub exit strategies inside that hub exit strategies. Here the William is just showing here some few more strategies to get high sales and high conversion, and again how to just set up your hub. Okay, and again there is a conclusion, and they have just mentioned all the resources which they have just used it here. Okay, so there is a bonuses and unannounced bonuses. So now going back to the now sales page. Okay, so this is the my sales page for the Profit Cyclone, which is going to be launched on tomorrow, November 19, 9 a.m. EST. So they said Profit Cyclone is basically the brand new loophole boosts our profit by over 80%, and is unlock simple Profit Cyclone blueprint that practically force $246 into their account in 60 seconds flat. And then the more about Profit Cyclone is show their audience that how to get high conversion by using 100% free traffic for whatever offers they choose to promote, using the hub based affiliate model that has been the basis for major companies such as in NerdWallet. I'll come back to these prices and upsell. Going to my bonuses, I'm giving these completely free bonuses. Those are picking the Profit Cyclone by my link, which is given below in this video training. So the bonus number one, giving away the Insurgency. Insurgency is the software and the video training. This was launched last year by the Jono Armstrong. So Insurgency is basically the massive breakthrough because it's only the method that gives you the unlimited laser target penny click with their unique traffic portal, include high ticket offers and handpick it for the highest possible commission. And again the bonus number two, giving you away the Steel Thread. This is the Jono Armstrong's training and course. Okay, so in this course they are just showing you that the how to send your offers in other people's email inboxes without having the own email list. Okay, so this is a very powerful training. I myself have watched it. This is very excellent training. Bonus number three, and this is the tutorial where the Joan Armstrong is sharing with you how to do your own content curation. And bonus number four, giving you away the brand new training course that will show you how to earn affiliate earning by tried and tested methods. Okay, and the free traffic is included. And bonus number 5, this is the special vendor bonuses. And again, if you are interested, you can just click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Okay, so now going back to the sales page, this is the sales page here, which will be going to be live tomorrow at 9 a.m. EST. So they said that this profit cyclone is unlock the autopilot profit. There's A to Z blueprint, 100% newbie friendly, free traffic on demand. There's 100% proven surefire business model, and on an online command center there's a practically force you to get the results. Everything you need to success is included, and plus there's a real world case studies, and the 365 days money back guarantee. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so again, if you're interested, you can just click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. It's just only one time payment, which is $12.95. Okay, so again, they have, this is the sales page. I'm not going through all the sales page, but in the sales page, as you will see here, some income proof, and you will see some testimonial. Okay, but I want to just show you anytime, if you are interested, then you can just click here on the yellow bar to secure the copy. And here I just want to show you on this sales page the bonuses. This is the vendor bonuses, which completely they are offering you free. And here they have just shown their real result, okay, on the Warrior Plus. Okay, so this is the, as you can see here, this is the Williams Warrior Plus. Okay, in last 7 days 725, and last 30 days this is much he's just making it. Okay, so again, so again, they have just given here what you will get inside the Profit Cyclone. So Profit Cyclone, you will get the A to Z blueprint, okay, that will discover insider secrets for easily building a profitable campaign, and still our exact strategies that they use have to go from scratch to 10K per month. And there is a triple threat traffic blueprint, and there is over the shoulder step-by-step videos that show you exactly how to drive target traffic to your online hub. Okay, so, and which is the beginner friendly, and set and forget automation is there. There is a done for you offers which is ready to go, and there is a plus case studies also, and plus they have shared with you the tools and resources. Again, anytime you can just click here to secure your copy. Okay, so then I'm just here, this is the testimonial. This is from the Johnny Rose, Mike, and here is the Shihu, and they have just given you the testimonials. Okay, so I'm just again looking for the Profit Cyclone bonuses. Here is grab Profit Cyclone and now and get these money boosting bonuses. Bonus number 1, they are just giving you OLSP traffic domination group. So underground private group shows you how to dominate traffic and also send you the sales for free. Bonus number 2, profit code. In this award winning training, you are going to get proven fast cash generating methods that work like clockwork to generate quick money. So the best part for this, that you can set this up one time and it will make money for you. And bonus number 3, exiters, and this is again award winning training that you are going to get the proven fast cash generating method that work like a clockwork. Okay, again bonus number 4, this is CPA project. Okay, so this is the best selling bonus that you are going to get a proven fast cash generating methods that work like again clockwork to generate quick money. Okay, so these was some bonuses. So again, let's go and see the prices and upsell for the Profit Cyclone. So as you have seen here already, that the front end price for the Profit Cyclone is $12.95. So with that, you will access the powerful Profit Cyclone software and training module, and upgrade one, which is for $27. With $27, you will get the Traffic Pro training. Okay, so that will help you to take your training to the next level. And upgrade number 2, which is for $37, and that inside $37 you will get some the done for you. Okay, so Profit Cyclone deliver you the done for you full suite of done for you material. Okay, takers of this upgrade and will get content, templates, and email swipes, everything. And upsell number 3, which is steal our traffic for $97 in downsell. With that, you will put the pixels on his sales page for the next 12 months and build up a huge audience of proven buyer. Upsell for this is you can get the license right for $47, and here are some key benefit which you may be interested in getting. So unlock the autopilot profit cyclone A to Z blueprint. This is 100% friendly, newbie friendly traffic, free traffic on demand, 100% proven surefire business model. And okay, so and on top of like they are offering you the 365 days money back guarantee, and which is here, which is cool. Okay, again here is everything which you are getting with Profit Cyclone today. Okay, these all the list is here, and plus there is a free bonuses, and plus two free fast action bonuses is here. So total value for everything is for 10,361, but today you're getting only $12.95. Okay, so again, so now choice is here is John, Cynthia, and William. If you have any question, you can just ask them the questions in the Facebook group, and here are some Q&A. Okay, so if you have any question, you can just go through with these. And again, if you have any question, you can just leave the question below in the comment section, where I will get back to you. And again, if you want to secure, if you really like it, and if you're serious to build your business, so then this Profit Cyclone is a good training by the William. Okay, so that's it. This was my Profit Cyclone review. If you have any question, you can leave your question below in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for the support of my channel. And yeah, that's it. I'll stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.